हेलो किड्स, बच्चों कैसे हो सब लोग। देखो कितने सारे कलर है। इस सारे कलर लेके आज एक एक करके हम लोग कलर के बारे में जानेंगे और A, B, C से Z तक सीखेंगे। तो चलो कलर को सीखते हैं। ये है ब्राउन कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, व्हाइट कलर, वायलेट कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पीच कलर, पिंक कलर, ब्लू कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, रेड कलर, येलो कलर एंड ब्लैक कलर। बच्चों पूरा वीडियो देखना और लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना। तो चलो A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for apple, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for banana. बच्चों बोलो B for ball and B for banana. C for carrot, C for cat, C for carrot and C for cat. D for dog and D for doctor, D for dog and D for doctor. E for elephant, E for eagle, E for elephant and E for eagle. A for flower, A for fish, A for flower and A for fish. G for guitar, G for grapes, G for guitar and G for grapes. H for helicopter, H for horse. बच्चों बोलो H for helicopter and H for horse. I for ink pot, I for iron, I for ink pot and I for iron. J for jackal, J for juice. K for kangaroo, K for kite, K for kangaroo and K for kite. L for lotus, L for lion, L for lotus and L for lion. M for monkey, M for mango, M for monkey and M for mango. N for nest, N for net, N for nest and N for net. O for octopus, O for onion, O for octopus and O for onion. P for papaya, P for parrot, P for papaya and P for parrot. Q for quail, Q for queen. बच्चों बोलो Q for quail and Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for radish, R for rabbit and R for radish. S for snake, S for strawberry, S for snake and S for strawberry. T for tiger, T for train, T for tiger, T for train. U for umbrella, U for uncle, U for umbrella, U for uncle. V for violin, V for vegetables, V for violin, V for vegetable. W for watch, W for water, W for watch and W for water. X for X-ray and X for Xmas. Y for yak, Y for yoga. Z for zebra and Z for zoo, Z for zebra and Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z। बाय बाय किड्स, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।